right, you may have to. Let me see. You're not coming out. It's not coming out. All right, I'm just waiting for your client to come out. Keep requesting for him to come out.
You want me to go in and get him, Judge?
Sure.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Williams, I've been summoning you to come to the courtroom.
I'm sorry. My bad.
Turn on your camera, please.
Okay, it's on.
Thank you, Ms. Sandy. Now calling the matter of the people versus Joshua Williams. This is ticket number 223574781. This is one count of drag racing. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
For the record, Ziad Nicholas Abu Zaid, P69447, on behalf of Mr. Williams.
Mr. Williams, please state your name for the record.
Joshua Williams.
All right, counsel, how are we moving forward with this matter today?
Judge, there's no offers, so I think we're setting it for a jury trial. We were here before on the day of arraignment, and we had gotten already a couple of dates. I don't know if something happened in the system where
April 11th, it was.
1 second, Mr. Williams. So this is our second time back for arraignment. I'm not sure. We already waived the formal reading and stood mute, but maybe a mistake happened. Anyways, I think we just need a new date to be confirmed.
For a jury trial?
I believe so. There's no offers, unfortunately.
Okay.
It's a spectator, right? It's not drag. It's a spectator drag racing, correct?
Mine just says drag racing. I will have to look up the ordinance violation number. It's 4631. Let me see. Let me see. month is looking good for you to have a jury trial while I look this up? Counsel.
I'm sorry, I didn't understand. What is it?
I said, what month, is looking available for a jury trial in this matter?
I guess, April or May.
It's not one of the days we can't have jury trial. Hold on a minute, I gotta make sure I don't do it when we have games, I'm not allowed to. Cross that one off the line. That's one of the days. What does May 3rd look like for you?
Let me check. I do have a conflict. I have to be in person in Warren that morning.
So we picked the jury, you know what, for that next day. The next day is gonna be a Tigers Day game. All right, I'm gonna have to look at June. How about, I only have certain days. June 1st. We picked the juries in the afternoon at 1:30. Then we start the trial that day and we finish it up the next day. In the afternoon probably as well, so that we don't have everybody just waiting around.
How about the April 11th, the original date we had gotten? Any way we can do that?
So April 11th isn't one of the days that I have available to do a jury trial. My proof date in April is the 19th, and I can't have trials that day because it's a Tigers Day game. I don't know where you got the April 11th. I must have thought it was a bench trial. And so if I thought it was a bench trial, we can do April 11th. But if it's a jury trial, we cannot do April 11th.
Well, I don't know if a bench trial would do anything for us in this situation.
Okay. And we're looking at June.
Okay, I guess June.
In June, I have June 1st or the 14th.
June 1st in the afternoon, you said?
Yes, we pick the jury at 1:30 in the afternoon.
Judge, if we put on the 11th, does that waive his right to a jury trial? If maybe I can talk to the officer and see if we can resolve something?
No, especially because it's so far out for the jury trial that I would still leave that day open. Do you want to do a waiver trial on the 11th and then make the decision that day if you want to have a jury trial?
As long as you give me as long as we don't waive the jury trial, yeah, can we try that?
Yeah, I think you can exercise your right to have a jury trial at any time, even if you waive the right.
Okay, let's set a bench trial on the 11th, see if we can get a resolution. And if not, then I don't want to put a jury trial if we can figure something else out.
I understand.
Thank you.
What I'll do is I won't waive his rights to have a jury trial today. I'll just set it for a waiver trial on the 11th, and if we can't resolve it, then we can set it for a jury trial that June. We'll look in June, okay? And then it would go further than that, but I was trying to get it resolved. So I'll see everybody back on April 11th for a waiver bench trial.
Perfect.
Okay? All right.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. Bonds continued at $0 personal. We'll see everybody back that day, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Have a great day, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, shoot.
Judge, if either House counsel could meet me in room 30, I would appreciate it.
I'm sorry, I just saw your chat, Ms. Walker. I'll meet you there.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Walker, when you get a chance to, will you come back? So
Yes,
I can
Judge.
ask? Okay.
Okay, Judge, I'm back.
It's okay. I thought I just said something for March 11th. I said for April 11th. I was going to ask you to reach out to the officer, but I confused myself. It's okay.
Okay, thanks, Judge. And then if Mr. Dillard happens to come back, I have not spoke to him at all, but Attorney Fillmore and I have talked about every one of his cases, so.
Okay, I'll let him know that you are
Thank
looking
you.
forward to having a conversation with him.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Mr. James?
Yeah, I got disconnected. I'm so
Okay.
sorry.
Have you spoken with an attorney yet?
I cannot.
Have you spoken with an attorney yet?
Okay, I did. Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna put you back in a waiting room then. What is your name again?
James Womack.
All right, thanks, Mr. Womack.
Thank you.
Ms. Walker, are you there?
I am here. Need me back in 30?
Sure.
Okay.
Madam Clerk,
Yes.
you can pull breakout room number 11. Mr. Devin Wright is going to be requesting a pretrial.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Mr. Dillard? Mr. Dillard,
Yes,
would you do me a favor before you come out of the breakout room after you've decided what you're going to do with their case? Could you ask them to leave the breakout room and come back to the courtroom?
okay, I'll do that right now for Mr. Wright.
Do you still want me to pull the
Okay.
person? Or you'll go in and tell them?
Well, it's a lot easier because I have an iPad and my iPad is not as functional as a laptop or a
No problem.
computer.
What courtroom, what breakout room were they in?
Breakout room number 11, Mr. Wright, Devin Wright.
Okay, thanks.
He's scheduled for a pretrial today.
And Your Honor, I do have a few that are ready whenever the court's ready.
Okay, you want to do those, or did you want to finish talking to the rest of your rooms and then do all yours at one time?
I think I've talked to everybody.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Let me get started then. Ms. Willman? Now calling the matter of people versus Carolyn Willman. This is Z ticket 808703. This is one count of operating with a high blood alcohol content. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Ms. Wellman, who is present on Zoom. Ma'am, would you please say your name?
Carolyn Wellman.
And Your Honor, there is a plea offer available. That offer is contingent upon Ms. Wellman participating in the court's drug court program, and she would like to take advantage of that and participate in that program.
Oh, okay. Give me 1 second then. Doesn't someone have to talk to her about that? Make sure she's eligible?
I'm not
Yes,
sure. I'm
let me
not
call
sure.
the drug court for you. All right, Ms. Wellman, hold on 1 second, okay?
Sure.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is the, right, or you can have stuff like TV, whichever TV. Just stay. Here. Okay, all right, you're welcome. Ms. Wellman, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put you back into the breakout room so that you can be able to talk to the person who actually comes in. I just want to make sure before we put you in the program that you're actually eligible for it. So that if not, the attorney can talk to you about your other options today, okay?
Can I ask a question? Did anyone mention that I had gone to a rehab center?
Yeah, I
in
did.
June?
I spoke with the prosecutor about that, Ms. Wellman.
Okay, thank you.
All right. I'm sure you can't get back to the room you were in. Do you know how to get back there or no, Ms. Wellman?
Me? Oh, no, I don't know. My daughter did this for me. I have no idea what I'm doing.
Okay, so do you see something pop up saying go to breakout room number 4?
This says join breakout room, not
Yes.
now or join. Yeah.
Join
So-
it. Join it right
oh.
now. Okay,
Well, it went away. It went away again.
it's okay. I'm gonna put you back in number 2. So join it when it says to join it. It says join
Okay.
it, join it. All right. Okay. Attorney Newman, are you ready on your cases of the trial today?
Yes, Your Honor. Ready.
Okay, I
to
think the officer came, didn't he?
Yes, Judge. Officer Croxton was here.
Yep, I'm pretty sure. All right. Ms. Waller?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna call your case.
Okay.
Now calling the case of the people versus Laura Waller. This is ticket SP 1416913. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, improper plate. Also calling ticket number SP 141696061, one count speeding 26 to 30 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Attorney David Newman appearing on behalf of Laura Waller. PA 2515. Miss Waller, please state your name for the record.
Laura Ann Waller.
Thank you.
Judge Shannon Walker, on behalf of the people, at this time, the people would extend an offer to Ms. Waller to amend it to a 1-point limited access, which would be 10 over.
All right, and Ms. Waller, did you want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know if I had you say your name on the record. So I think you did, but say it again, just in case.
Yes, ma'am. Laura Ann Waller.
Thank you so much. All right, so I'm gonna read from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the date of December 19th of 2022 in the area of Mound and Hamlet Streets in the city of Detroit, Ms. Waller was driving a Dodge vehicle and did speed doing limited access 10 miles over the posted speed. Satisfied,
Yes, Your Honor.
counsel? Thank you. And the court stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
I said stipulation for probable cause on the remaining 2 counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to enter a plea of responsible to the amended charge, limited access, 45 in the 35 mile per hour zone. That's 10 over. So it's
I'm sorry, Your Honor. It was a limited access 6 to 10.
6 to 10, yeah. I was gonna do the real mileage in a moment, 6 to 10. 45 to 35 just lets me know it's 10 miles over.
Okay, but it would be a highway, Your Honor, just to put on the record.
So I think he's saying, Judge, we should do a 65 and a 55, so it appears as a highway speed instead of a street speed. Is that what you're saying, counsel?
That's correct. Thank you.
I was just gonna do 6 to 10 over. But, okay.
That works, Judge.
65. So what is it, 6? To be 65. 65, 55, okay, 65.
Thank you.
So does that change the limited access? I'm all confused now.
Judge, the limited access being highway speeds, I think council means we need to have a minimum speed of 55 showing on the amended charge versus a street speed of something lesser. Is that what you're saying, council?
That's correct. Thank you.
So I don't put highway. I'm trying to figure out what the clerk needs to enter into the computer.
Should just be limited access, Judge. As long as she
All
puts
right.
limited access, it should be fine.
Thank you.
All right. All right, if there's nothing further, the fine is, ma'am, $135. You have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that enough time for you?
I'm pregnant and not working at the moment. Could I have just a little bit more time, please, ma'am?
Can we get 30 days, Your Honor? Is that good, Laura?
Yes, I can get it in 30 for sure.
All right, I'll have it due no later than April 6th.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes us here. And have a great rest of the day. And good luck with the birth of your child, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
And yep, take care. Bye-bye.
All right, back to you, Attorney Fillmore. Trying to see.
I'm ready, Judge.
All right, I know you are. Who was in room number 4? You remember? No? Okay.
Let's see. Who was
They
it
weren't.
for? I think it was Mr. Wade, perhaps, Peter Wade.
Okay. Peter Wade?
Yes.
Okay. Now
Yes.
calling the matter, hello, I got you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Peter Wade. This is ticket SP 1384053. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, failed to use seatbelt assembly system. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Wade. Sir, would you please say your name?
Peter Dwayne Wade.
And Your Honor, Mr. Wade, there has been an offer made by the people. Mr. Wade would like to avail himself of that offer, and that would be to one count of failure to display a license, and that would be on the suspended license ticket, and the other 2 tickets would be dismissed.
Sir, if you want to take advantage of that offer, please raise your right hand. Do you
Yes.
swear or, okay, thank you. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down, sir. Mr. Wade, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that, sir?
Yes, I do.
Understanding all of this, you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of August the 26th of 2022. Were you in the area of Chicago, West Chicago, and Mark Twain streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were in that area, were you driving on a suspended license, sir?
Yes, I was.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well. The other 2 counts are civil infractions, so I'll dismiss them as a part of this plea and enter in the amended plea of failed to display a valid operator's license. Mr. Wade, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay, 30 or 60 days?
60.
All right, I'm gonna have it due no later than May 8th, 2023, okay?
Okay, and if I get it sooner, I'll come and pay it
Absolutely.
as soon as I get it.
As soon as you can pay it, go ahead and pay it. You can also do it in 2 separate payments or like multiple payments too, if that helps you out a little bit, okay?
Yes.
Okay, you can do it that way too, but just make sure you have it paid by May 8th, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, Mr. Wade. You can go ahead and hang up now, okay?
All right. Have a great day.
You too, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And Janetta Withersby?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can turn on your camera for me, please.
Oh crap, I thought it was.
There
Okay.
you go. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Anjanetta Weathersby. This is ticket SP 1381774. 1 count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel first, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Ms. Weathersby. Ma'am, would you please say your name?
And Jeanette Weathersby.
And Your Honor, Ms. Weathersby does have valid proof of insurance. I was able to verify she has insurance for a 2011 Cadillac that expires in August of 2023. So I would ask the court to dismiss.
All right. At this time, being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice. Ma'am, make sure you always keep your stuff up to date, valid, and in your vehicle at all times, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. I'm imagining Devin Wright was yours as well. No, that's room 11. I'm trying to make sure I only get your people. Princess Warren.
Yes, she's ready. And I believe Miss West was, but whatever the court wants to do.
Miss who?
Oh, I think if you were going in order, I think it was Miss West, but that's fine.
I don't have Miss West out here.
Oh, no, she's
Catherine
gone?
West, she didn't come out. You need me to get her out?
Yeah, I'm sorry. That's okay.
It's okay.
Are you
I was
bringing her
trying
out?
to go in order by the ones you had, so I was trying to look through and see who you had. She was on the phone. Catherine West?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Catherine West. This is ticket SP 1376199. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Can I have your appearance for the record first, counsel?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Miss West. Miss West, would you please say your name again?
Catherine West.
And Your Honor, there is an offer, and Miss West would like to take advantage of that offer, and that would be pleading to the improper plates count, and the remaining 2 counts would be dismissed.
All right. If you could please raise your right hand, ma'am.
My right hand, yeah.
Yes. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. West, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Beg your pardon?
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in any of these matters? You understand that, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, ma'am. I want to take your attention back to the date of August 2nd of 2022. Were you in the area of Arlington and East Nevada streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Driving a Dodge vehicle, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have improper plates on it at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, that means you didn't register it with the Secretary of State's office for the year. Is that correct, ma'am?
No, I had just got the car, and it had a temporary sticker on the back, which I didn't know was bogus, because I only had the car about a couple of weeks. So, yeah, and the officer informed me that they were improper. They weren't up to date.
All right. All right. Satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
All right. The court is satisfied as well. We'll enter 1 count to improper plates. Is there stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
All right. So at this time, the court is going to enter 1 count improper plates. The remaining 2 counts will be dismissed. Ma'am, even if the plates were not valid, you should have had insurance. You also got stopped for not having insurance.
Yeah, well, I just went to vote. I thought a quick go out and come back, but unfortunately, God was trying to tell me something, and I learned my lesson.
I know that's right. All right, ma'am. Let me tell you something real quick too, okay?
Okay, so
my fine is typically $200. Are you able to pay that, ma'am?
$200? Yes, ma'am.
All right. How long do you need? 30 or 60 days?
I need can I do it over the phone now?
Well, you gotta give us a moment to put it in the computer, and then you can do it. Are you able to go online? If not, you might have to go. You know those DivDat machines throughout the city of Detroit?
The what?
Those machines where you can pay other city of Detroit bills, like they're in the
No,
Meyer. Okay. Well, you can go online and pay it, or you can physically come down to 36th District Court and pay it.
Oh, okay. I'll just come down because this phone is I'm illiterate about these phones and computers. So okay, I can go into the and come into 36th District and pay the $200.
Yep, you can physically come in and pay it down at the cashier's office on the first floor.
Okay, I prefer to do that.
Absolutely. I'll give you 30 days. Is that enough time, or you need more?
Hello?
Hello? I said I'll give you 30 days. Is that enough time, or do you need more?
Yes, ma'am. That's enough time. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. No later than April 6th, okay?
By April 6th? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss West. You have a good day, okay?
You too. Thank you so much. God bless. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye, Miss West.
Bye-bye.
Mr. Willis?
Yes.
All right.
Hello?
Did you talk to? No, I know, Miss West. You're all set. Just hang up the phone, okay? All right. Mr. Witherspoon, did you talk to Attorney Fillmore, or did you talk to Attorney Dillon?
I think I talked to Attorney Fillmore.
Yes.
Okay. All right, cool. Just put yourself on mute. Princess Warren, can you hear us now?
Yes, I can.
Okay. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Princess Warren. This is ticket number SP144. Nope. Let me start again. SP1143579. 1 count driver's license never acquired. Also calling tickets number SP 114350, count 1, very coarse without signal or safe observation. Count 2 of that same ticket is no receipt of registration. May I have council's appearance for the record first?
Excuse me. Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Ms. Warren. Ma'am, would you please say your name?
Princess Warren.
And Your Honor, Ms. Warren is asking for a bench trial and formal hearing in these matters.
All right, if that's correct, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Fillmore about your case and about your rights?
I did, I believe.
Did you talk to him about it? Okay.
Yeah.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as a trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward?
Yes.
All right. All right. I'm going to set this for a date of May 16th. May 16. Okay. It's going to be at 9 a.m. via Zoom, the same way you zoomed in today. Zoom in on that day. Okay.
Okay.
All right. And I'll set your bond at $0 personal. We'll have a formal hearing on the tickets that are civil infractions, and we'll have a misdemeanor on the ticket that's the misdemeanor. Bench trial. Okay.
All right.
All right. You're all set, Ms. Warren. You can sign off.
Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem. I appreciate you. See you then. Ms. Williams, Naomi Williams, did you talk to the attorney?
Yes, Judge.
All right, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready, okay? Until he comes out.
Okay.
All right. Omar Witherspoon?
Yes.
One second, sir.
Oh, what did that?
All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Omar Witherspoon. This is ticket SP 1361748. Count 1, failed to stop for a stop sign. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. May I have counsel's appearance for the record first, sir?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Witherspoon. Sir, would you please say your name?
Omar Witherspoon.
Your Honor, we do have a resolution in this matter. Mr. Witherspoon would be pleading responsible. Yeah. This says trial. I believe that's a civil infraction. Is it blockading traffic is what the count would be.
Okay. That's it. Yeah. Sandy, did his officer check in?
The officer, Miss Walker, the officer's not here. She indicated that the officer has COVID. She's gonna ask for an adjournment. I was obviously gonna ask to dismiss, but.
Thank you. All right, he has COVID. Are you willing to take that offer, Mr. Witherspoon? It's blockading. There's no points. It's $175 fine. The officer is sick. But if you take this today, it'll resolve it. How do you want to move forward?
I'll take it.
Okay. Well, it's a civil infraction, so I'm gonna read from the ticket to establish a factual basis. On the date of June 10th, 2022, in the area of Grandmont and Garden View in the city of Detroit, Mr. Witherspoon was driving a Ford vehicle and did block traffic. Satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended count blockading. The remaining count will be dismissed. Sir, that fine is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
I'm not
wish
gonna
you
lie.
could see
No,
your
ma'am.
eyes.
No, ma'am. I'm. Is it possible I can get a little bit more time? I'm sorry.
It is. How much time do you need, Mr. Witherspoon?
I will say at least about 20 days. I should have it in
I'll
20.
give you 30 days. Does 30 days work?
That's even better. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. All right. So I have it due no later than April 6th, 2023. Okay, sir?
All righty. And I could pay
All right.
that online.
You can pay it online. Yep, just go online, look up your name, and then you'll be able to see. These are your only 2 tickets, so you'll be able to see the tickets, and the other one will be dismissed, okay?
All righty. Thank you so
No
much.
points, don't abstract to your stuff, so you're good, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, all right, you're welcome. Have a good day.
Sir.
You too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah. All right. Did you, are any other people? I know you didn't talk to Mr. Wright. Did you talk? Okay. You didn't talk to Naomi. Did you talk to James Womack?
Yes, he's here for a review, Your Honor.
Okay.
And then Mr. White that I brought out is here for trial, and I don't think there's an officer.
Okay. All right. Yeah, Ryan White. James Womack?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus James Willie Womack. This is U ticket 647-98222. This is one count of disorderly conduct. This is the date and time set for a review in this matter. Mr. Womack was to have paid $500, done an HIV STI test, and taken the morality class. May I have your appearance for the record, Attorney Fillmore, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Womack. Sir, would you please say your name?
James Womack.
Your Honor, Mr. Womack, I believe he's indicated that he has paid all the fines and costs. We did not talk about the morality class. And he does have in his possession a CVS HIV test that he did show me with the receipt. It was $75. He did not go to a medical provider. He wasn't able to get into the doctor's appointment in time for this next hearing. So he went and purchased that. And he does have that with him in his possession. So I'm not sure if he's met all of the conditions, but if he has, I would ask that the case be
Well, I saw him, he paid the fine, so I do know that he paid the fine. I'll accept that as the test since you saw that and you said he paid a substantial amount of money for that, or enough money for that. And then Mr. Womack, you said you took the misdemeanor morality class?
I did. They emailed me a certificate.
Do you have that certificate? Can you show the court?
How can I do it? Want me to email it or?
Can you email it to me? Okay, and then at that point in time, I'll move to this. I'll dismiss it, but I need you to email it to me right now. You ready to take down the email address?
I am.
Okay, it's yes. CTRM
CTRM
337
337
at
at
36 TH District Court
Court
.org.
.org.
Yes, .org.
I'm gonna forward that to you.
Okay, forward that to me. And with that being said, when you forward that to me, Mr. Womack, we'll dismiss this case. I'm not dismiss. We'll close out this matter because you've completed all the tasks, okay?
Yeah, do you want me to stay on the line?
No, you can hang up. Just forward it to us right now. And then as soon as I see that we received it, it's gonna be closed out, okay?
Okay, let me read this back.
Okay, yes, sir.
CTRM
Yes,
337
yes, sir.
at, which is the at symbol, I take it.
That's right, that's right.
Okay, 36 TH districtcourt.org.
That's right. And if you have trouble, I'm gonna give you our courtroom phone number, okay? So that you can give us a call. 313 965
965
2293.
2293. And thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you very much for completing all the tasks. Most of the time I have to ask people a few times to do it, but you did it on the first time. So I appreciate it. So as long as he sends over that document, Attorney Fillmore, I'm gonna close. I keep saying dismiss, close out the matter as it is, okay? So you're all
Thank
set,
you,
okay,
Honor.
Mr. Womack?
Okay, thank you all.
Thank you. Have a great
Good luck,
day.
sir.
You too. Thanks, attorney.
Oh, you're welcome, sir. Good luck.
Okay.
All right. So we got a couple of different people. iPhone, what's your name?
Oh, if that's me, Marvin Braxton.
Okay, Mr. Braxton, I don't know if you're in the right courtroom. I don't do the bees.
Huh?
You said Marvin Braxton?
Yeah. Well, this was the okay, so my first court date, they gave me this court number. I want to say the attorney told me it was the wrong number, but they told me to come back. My court time was actually 8:35, but I actually missed it. So they just told me I can log in up under the same room. And
Spell your last name?
Braxton, Braxton.
Yeah, that's not me. I don't do the bees. We have a Braxton on the docket today that I'm into. Oh, you know what? You are on my docket. Hold up a minute.
I mean, I'm special for the day.
Why are you just not signing in though? You're 2 hours late.
Yeah, I know. Once I took the kids to school, I realized like, oh, today is the 6th. I got court. I forgot. Yeah.
I should forget too.
No, don't do that. But I came, so I'm trying to make everything
Mr.
right.
Braxton, stop talking, because I came to work too. How about that? Do I get a star and a reward for doing what I'm supposed to do?
No, but
okay. All right, Mr. Braxton, hold on a minute. Put yourself on mute. Let me do some other matters. Good morning, Mr. Morgan. How are you doing?
Morning, Your Honor. How you doing?
I'm good, thank you. I'm going to put you into a room with Carolyn Wellman, and she is looking like a candidate for drug court. But before I take her plea on the record, I want to make sure she was going to be a good fit for the program. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Put you in room number 2, please. Thank you.
All
right. Mr. Rodney White.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Rodney White. This is ticket SP 1354994. Operate off-road vehicle on public highway. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. White. Sir, please say your name.
Rodney White.
Your Honor, this is date time set for trial in this matter. I don't believe the complaining witness has appeared in court or checked in with the court, so I would ask the court to dismiss.
All right, the time is now 10:30 a.m. No officer having checked in for this matter. The court is going to dismiss this without prejudice. All right, sir, you're all set for today. They can refile this if they want to, but you're good for today, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. You didn't do Coomer Wilson, did you? No?
No, Your Honor. I think Ms.
All right.
Wellman is the only person I have left.
All right, Mr. Wilson, I'm gonna put you into the waiting room until your attorney comes out here and is ready to talk to you, okay?
I talked to him already.
I know, but until he comes out, I can't do the case on the record. That's what I should have said. I gotta wait for him, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Do you feel like doing one more person?
Sure.
Attorney Fillmore? Mr. Braxton? In a
Okay, I'm
moment,
here.
you're gonna be invited to go to a breakout room so that you can talk with Attorney Fillmore about your case and about your rights today. Okay, join that breakout room and that breakout room only, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna put him number 4, Miss Sandy, so that way he's in number 4, okay, Attorney Fillmore?
All right, I'll go find Miss Walker first and then I'll come join him.
Okay.
And Judge, this gentleman was here earlier. Every time he leaves, his name changes. I don't remember who he is.
I saw him leave a couple of times. What's your name, sir?
Troy Ware. I talked to my attorney, but I had got a phone call. So can you put me back in the waiting room? I don't know what the hell going on.
Well, sir, first of all, watch your language. You in court, and this is live.
I'm sorry. I realize that. I'm sorry.
What happens, Mr. Ware, is that when you pick up a phone call, it disconnects you automatically from Zoom. So don't pick up phone calls, okay?
Okay, well, I did talk to my attorney, so I guess you have to put me back in the waiting room.
Yeah, I'm waiting for him to get finished speaking with the other people he needs to talk to. Then I can do your cases, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Braxton's just gonna get a bench trial date, Your Honor, when you're ready.
All right. Now calling, Ms. Sandy, you there?
Yes, I am, Judge.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Marvin Braxton. This is ticket SP 1386403. One count ride, motor vehicle, motorcycle, moped on sidewalk. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Braxton. Sir, would you please say your name?
Marvin Braxton.
Your Honor, there is not an offer from the people at this time, so Mr. Braxton is asking for a bench trial.
All right. Sir, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Braxton, you had an opportunity to talk with Attorney Fillmore about your case and about your rights. Is that correct?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to set it for a bench trial on the date of May 16th at 9 a.m. It will be via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, same number?
Same number. So you're in the right spot because you're on my docket somehow, so you get to be here. Welcome, okay?
All right.
All right. All right. Be 9 a.m. on the trial day, okay? So make sure you put it in your phone so you remember, okay?
Okay,
All right. We'll see you then. Thank you so much. That concludes this hearing.
thank you.
You're welcome. Attorney Fillmore, you said you were going to look for somebody else. I know Miss Wellman is talking to Mr. Morgan. Did you have somebody else too that you needed me to pull?
No, I was looking for Miss Walker, the prosecutor.
Oh, okay. Did you? Okay. You
But I
found
found
her.
her.
Okay. All right. I didn't hear you who you said you were going to look for. So I was like, did you have somebody else? And we said Walker. That's what made me think. I was like, oh, he has another person. I
No,
forgot.
I know. She would be in this courtroom, yes.
She will be in this courtroom. You're right. All right, Attorney Fillmore, we'll just wait for your other person to come back. Okay.
All right, sounds good, Judge. I'll just sit here.
Thank you. All right. Thank you.
much.
Madam Clerk?
Yes.
Okay, ready on Gwendolyn Watkins. I'm sorry, yeah, Gwendolyn Watkins.
Okay, the people that you're ready on, they can just come out to the main session. We'll place them in a waiting room.
Okay, Amari Wynn is checking in here.
Okay.
Good morning. Ms. Wynn?
That's Mr. Wynn.
Oh, he was here earlier. Mr. Wynn?
Yes, I'm here.
Has he been spoken to, Mr. Dillard?
Yeah, we're ready. Schedule a bench trial.
Okay, I'm going to put him in the waiting room until the judge is ready for him.
Okay, I guess I thought you wanted me to bring him out.
Yeah.
Attorney Dillard, are you done with all of them?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Yeah, when you bring them out, they'll be put in the waiting room.
Real quick, Madam Clerk, if they're already in a waiting room on our site, why not? I'm just suggesting why not just leave them where they are and then pull them out.
If they're in the waiting room, we pull them out when the judge is ready to call the case. So all the people in the waiting room you have spoken to already, right?
No.
They're ready for the judge that's in the waiting room, right?
Okay, I thought I was instructed to go back to the main room, so okay. Well,
Yes, once they come to the main section, we place them in a waiting room until the judge calls their cases.
Okay, well, when you're ready to call Gwendolyn Watkins, Amari Wynn, Iman Warwick, and Iman Warwick, she's on the first page. She's in a school setting, so if she can be called out, I'd appreciate that one. And I'll go back and get with the other ones.
Do you want to go ahead and do these people that's in the waiting room now? Are you ready to do those now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we can do those now. That's in the waiting room now.
Well, some of the names that he called, I think, are still in the breakout room. Watkins is still in the breakout room, I believe.
So, Mr. Dillard, one of the reasons why we call them into the main session, or we want them to come after you finish talking to them, is because it's hard to get them out of the breakout rooms. If I try and summon them when you're ready, sometimes they're not paying attention and they're not watching, so I can at least get them back in the room. If you still want to go finish talking to the folks, you can, and then when you're fully ready, you can let us know.
Okay, I was trying to make it easier on the clerk, to give her, the process as it goes along. All right.
I'm trying
to. Ready, Ms. again? It's okay. The other attorneys finished, Mr. Dillard.
But that's good.
Okay, so keep going.
I don't have no problem with how he finishes. Could you
Can't get Ms. Watkins out of the waiting room, the breakout room. Can you just go in and ask her to come out?
Okay, I will. Thank you.
Mr. Morgan, are we ready on your person?
Yes, Judge. Are you able to pull Ms. Wellman out of the breakout room? Zoom is very, very new to her. And can you pull her out? I told her.
Oh, yeah, I sure will. You don't have to worry about it. I just was talking, making sure you were good on it. I haven't taken a plea yet either.
Right. So, Judge, she's eligible for our specialty court program. So I'm pretty sure she'll take a plea. She wants to do the program, so I guess she'll have to go through probation to get her PSI done.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm sorry, yeah.
No, keep going.
And then on her sentencing date, we'll take that soft warm handoff, and then we'll put her into our specialty court.
Okay, so does she come back to me for sentencing, or do you want me to send it to Judge Holmes for sentencing?
She'll come back to you, Your Honor, and then on that day, we'll just grab her and, figuratively speaking, we'll just.
Am I supposed to be hearing you? Because I can hear you.
Yes, Ms. Wellman, I brought you back into the room. You already know what's going on. We're just discussing what's gonna happen. So it's nothing major. You're a part of this too, okay?
This is confusing to me. I'm a nurse and I'm not used to this.
Hold on. Ms. Wellman, I know you're not smoking in court.
I beg your pardon?
Are you smoking?
I was. Yes, I was before, while you were off the camera. I was, yeah.
Put it out, Ms. Wellman.
I keep forgetting that I'm in court.
Okay, just gotta remember as much as possible.
Look,
Attorney Fillmore, you still there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
I know, I said Attorney Fillmore.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm here, Judge.
Good.
Now recalling the matter of the people versus Carolyn Wellman. This is Z ticket 8087031. One count operating with a high BAC. May I have your appearance once again for the record, Attorney Fillmore?
Yes, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore, again, appearing on behalf, of Miss Carolyn Wellman. Ma'am, would you please say your name again?
Carolyn Wellman.
And Mr. Morgan, could you put your name on the record as well?
Yes, Your Honor. Samaje Morgan, Specialty Court Coordinator.
All right, thank you so much. And it's my understanding right now that there is an offer on the table that if Ms. Wellman completes and participates in the drug treatment court program, that this will be lowered to an operating while visibly impaired instead of their typical offer, which is operating while intoxicated. Do you want to take advantage of that today, Ms. Wellman?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ma'am, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Fillmore about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything outside of you talking to Mr. Morgan about the drug treatment court program or specialty court programs to make you take this offer today, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Are you doing it of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you doing it because you are indeed guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had? You could have had a bench trial or a jury trial in this matter, but you're going to give that up. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding everything, you still want to move forward today, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to take your attention back to on or about the day of June 17th of 2022. Ma'am, were you driving a vehicle in the area of West McNichols and Grove Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, were you under the influence of alcohol at the time, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
And counsel, will you stipulate that the blood alcohol level was more than 1.7 grams?
0.17, yes, Your Honor.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied, yes.
All right. This was in the city of Detroit, ma'am, is that correct?
Yes.
All right. The court is satisfied as well. And at this time, the court is going to accept the plea to the amended charge of operating while visibly impaired. Ma'am, you're gonna return to me for sentencing before you go to the treatment court program. They just wanna make sure you get the assessment and everything, so when you start the program, they won't have to make you do all these extra assessments to find out where you're at and what you need, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna give you a number to call and a date to come back to me. You ready to take down the number?
Yes, ma'am.
313-965-3414.
Okay.
All right, and you're gonna come back and see me on the date of April 18th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m., okay? Via Zoom.
Oh boy, I'm gonna have to have my daughter over here.
I know. You know, she did a good job, so if she could just help you one more time, and then hopefully you can get the hang of it too, because some of the stuff I think they do, if I'm not wrong, Mr. Morgan, is online, so you might need to learn how to be able to navigate this somewhat, okay? So this is a good time to start figuring it out and learning. You got a little bit of time, so maybe you can practice trying to do it a couple of times, okay?
Yeah, I can practice. Excuse me, what time did you say? April 18th at what time?
8:30 a.m.
8:30 a.m.
Okay. The number I gave you, call them and let them know that you are coming back to me for sentencing and that you're going to be a part of the drug court or the specialty court program, okay? And they'll be able to know exactly what to do. I'll make sure it's on our information too, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, I'll see you that day, and I'm wishing you the best of luck. No driving unless you have the license or the restricted license to do so, and no drinking right now, because we got to get this all together, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good
Thank
luck.
you so much.
You're very welcome. We'll see you back on April 18th at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Morgan. I appreciate you, sir.
You're welcome. Take care.
Okay.
Yes, Madam Clerk. Madam Clerk.
Yes.
Are you able to send Miss Watkins back to breakout room number 3?
Okay, is she in the waiting room?
She's in room number 3. She went back somehow.
Oh, she's back there? Okay, thank you.
Okay. Larissa Walker?
Me? Yes. This is Larissa Walker.
Good
This is for the afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good morning. Is it still morning? Good morning.
It's still morning. She was telling you that your case is not until this afternoon.
Yeah, I was trying to make sure I knew how to get on.
Okay, very good. Thank you for that. See you this afternoon.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Waterford,
Yes,
have you spoken with the attorney?
yes, ma'am.
I'm going to put you in a break in our waiting room. Ms. Nguyen, I just brought you, Mr. Nguyen, I just brought you out just for a moment. I'll put you right back in.
Okay.
The person whose device is titled iPhone. The person whose device is titled iPhone, what's your name, please?
Antoine Williams.
Antoine Williams, just a moment.
I'm looking for M. Taylor or Taylor M.
Yes.
I may have the name because
You're
I'm
in the
supposed
right,
to be here? Okay.
just one moment. Okay, Mr. Williams, I'm going to put you in a breakout room so the attorney can speak with you about your case and about your rights.
Okay.
Mr. Williams, why are you late?
I had to find the information. I recently had a death in the family, and it's been having my mom going crazy. So
Attorney Fillmore, are you still on?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. This is lucky day, because I'm nowhere close to being finished. Okay. All right, go ahead, Miss Sandy. I want to find out what was going on.
I thought you would. That's why I was kind of hesitating. Okay, Mr. Fillmore, you're already in number 4.
So look, is he here for a review?
Mr. Williams, accept the invitation for breakout room number 4.
Madam Clerk, are you in the courtroom?
She stepped out for a moment. What do you need?
Okay. This is Mr. Williams. I believe this is the one. I think he's here for a review. So I was just going to see if there's anything outstanding.
So it says arraignment on a bench warrant
Oh,
on the top of my docket. I don't know if that's true. You see him under 830?
no, I was looking at Antoine Williams under 840. Maybe this is somebody else. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry. I do see a different person. You're right.
You got it.
Yes. There's another one under 840, but it's spelled
It
differently.
is. But I had to look at how he spelled his name. That's how I figured it out. So he
Okay.
had.
All right. Perfect. All right. I'll go find Miss Walker again.
Okay.
Thank you.
No problem.
Madam Clerk, may I get a driving record for Lakeisha Waterford?
I'll make sure she does it when she comes in.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Williams is ready, Your Honor. He's going to be asking for a bench trial.
Ask the prisoner. Ask the prisoner.
Attorney Fillmore,
Yes, Judge.
are you on the program? Are you able to see if he has any more tickets open or no? He's not on that program.
Oh, no, Mr. Williams, I'm not sure.
All right.
Okay, Madam Clerk?
She stepped out. What do you need?
I was just saying, who was it that you wanted to call? Because I've lost some people because they've been removed from where they were. But we can go on down the line and take care of each one individually. Do you have Gwendolyn Watkins?
Yep. You ready for her?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Watkins?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. Now calling the matters of the people versus Gwendolyn Watkins. This is ticket SP 1375926. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Joseph Dillard, P37225 on behalf of Ms. Watkins.
Ms. Watkins, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, it's Gwendolyn Watkins.
All right, counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, in this particular matter, she said scheduled for a pretrial. She's requesting a bench trial in this matter.
All right, if that's the case, ma'am, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Watkins, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did, Judge.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I want to set this matter for a bench trial on the date of May 16th. May 16th at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 at this time, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you.
Thank you. You have a nice day.
You too. Thank you so much.
Have a good day,
Bye-bye.
Ms. Watkins.
You too, Mr. Dillard. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Your Honor, Amari Wynn. WYNN.
I got you. Mr.
Hello?
Wynn? Hello?
Yes.
All
Hello.
right. Hello. Now calling the matters of the people versus Amari Wynn. This is ticket SP 1382569. One count open alcohol and motor vehicle driver. Also calling case number SP 1383167. One count littering, rubbish, trash, or abandoned vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Your Honor, Joseph Dillard on behalf of Mr. Wynn. Mr. Wynn, state your name for the record.
Amari Wynn.
Your Honor, today set for pre-trial. He's requesting that this matter be scheduled for a bench trial.
All right, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Dillard about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to set this for the date of May 16th, 9 a.m. via Zoom. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Your Honor, the next case that this is not the call for the record, but it's a Troy Ware. He was no longer in the breakout room number 9. I don't know where he is, but if he can be sent back to breakout room 9, if he is available, I'd appreciate it.
Do I just hang this up? Or?
Mr. Wynn, you hang it up. I'll see you on May 16th at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, we're ready to call Devin Wright. You may have addressed him already. I'm not certain.
Put him in for sure.
Into the courtroom. That's why I put him in the waiting room. Did you tell him to come out?
Is he already?
Mr.
Mr. What you got, Mr. Mr. Williams, my clerk had already put you in the show cause because you came so late or kept you in the arraignment on the bench warrant. But what did he want today, Attorney Fillmore?
Your Honor, Mr. Williams is asking for a bench trial.
Gonna be on time?
Yeah, I could be on time. I don't even know which tickets or what I'm addressing. I haven't got anything for Detroit in a while. So hopefully we can just close some stuff out.
They older cases, that's why. Put your camera on, Mr. Williams. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Antoine Williams. These matters are on my docket today for an arraignment on bench warrants. Ticket number 154-11602. One count drove while license suspended. Ticket number Z801766. One count enter without owner's permission. And ticket number 144057611. Failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Williams. Sir, please say your name.
Antoine Williams.
Your Honor, as to the arraignment, we waive the formal reading of the charge and stand mute. I'd ask that any warrants be recalled, and Mr. Williams is asking for a bench trial.
All right. Sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
I did.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as a trier and finder of facts. Is that right, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set this for the date of May 16th at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0. Sir, make sure you're on time for the next court hearing, okay? Because if you don't, then I'll case you, okay?
Okay.
All right, we'll see you on May 16th, 2023 at 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you.
Been trying to pull Troy. Where out is it?
He dropped off. I don't know what happened.
I was just saying joining, and he never came in, so maybe he froze up.
Madam Clerk,
Yes.
ready for Thomas Wilson.
All right. Mr. Wilson?
Hello.
1 second.
Mr. Wilson, can you take that hat off for me, please? Thank you. Now calling the matters of the people versus Thomas Wilson. This is ticket SP 1383713, one count no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1383688, count 1 disregard signal red or amber, count 2 no valid registration. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Joseph Dillard, on behalf of Mr. Wilson, state your full name for the record, sir.
Thomas Wilson.
Your Honor, with respect to this matter, today is a pretrial. He wishes to resolve this by way of a plea. He's going to, he's accepting the offer to plead responsible to limited access speed. And the other matter, and that's on the red light violation. And then the other matters will be dismissed, the other two. One, no insurance misdemeanor, and no valid registration to be dismissed.
Sir, you want to take advantage of that today, Mr. Wilson?
Sure.
Okay. All right. Reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the date of.
Your Honor, I'll stipulate to the facts of the ticket to give the court jurisdiction in terms of the limited access speed violation on the red light.
So at this time, the court is going to enter in a plea of responsible to the amended charge, limited access 1 to 5 over. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Stipulate the probable cause, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter that plea of responsible. Sir, the fine for that is $125. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that going to be enough time for you or no?
Yeah, that'll be enough time.
Okay, so I have to do no later than March 20th. Okay?
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. March 20th, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
All right.
All right. Bye.
Your Honor, could the court call Laquana Ward?
Ms. Ward?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Laquana Ward. This is Z ticket 794645. Count 1, operating while intoxicated city. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Joseph Dillard, P37225, on behalf of Ms. Ward.
Ms. Ward, can you state your name for the record, please?
Laquana Kivette Ward.
Your Honor, today is a show cause hearing. I'm asking that the warrant be recalled. With respect to this matter, before beginning, this case goes back 12 years. In the course of 12 years, the court has, I believe, has had the, where they brought in all of the cases that were over a certain period of time, and people were able to just get rid of their tickets. I don't know if it may have been longer than that in terms of being at Ebenezer Baptist Church, and it's just this is a very old case. I'm asking one for dismissal before proceeding any farther.
It's an old drunk driving case.
case.
It's an old drunk driving case, though. Operating while, let me look at her blood alcohol level. Her blood alcohol level was 0.19.
Is that bad, Jana?
The legal limit is 0.08.
But how long ago was that? That's 12 years ago,
So,
Jana.
Mr. Dillard, she chose not to come back to court, so now I'm just supposed to dismiss it? No, she has to go through the right channels. Now, it may eventually, because the officer may not be working for them anymore and may not show up. But just because she opts to not come back to court, especially for operating while intoxicated case, she's gonna have to at least have some type of trial or something to see if the officer is gonna come.
Okay,
And she missed
thank
her
you.
last court date on August.
Thank you, Anna. Now, do they have your current address, Ms. Ward?
No.
Why don't you, if you can go to the chat, do you know how to place something in chat?
Yeah.
Okay, why don't you type your address and phone number so that the clerk can get that information. If you can send that information to Madam Clerk. Don't send it to everybody, send it to the clerk specifically.
Okay, now how would I?
It's all right, Ms. Ward, after this is over, can you call the courtroom? I'm gonna give you a phone number. You ready?
Okay, 1 second. Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay, I'm ready.
313 965 2293. And you can talk directly to my clerk and she'll change it in the system for you, okay?
Okay.
All right. How are we proceeding with this matter today, counsel?
Requesting a bench trial, Yana.
All right, Ms. Ward, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes. As of today?
Yeah, man, today.
Yes.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trial and finder of facts. Is that right, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. We set this for a bench trial on the day of May 16th. May 16th at 9 a.m. It is going to be via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day. You want to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right. There's nothing further. You're all set, ma'am. Thank you.
And I just need to call in to give the address, correct?
Yep. Call in to give us the address so we can update it for our computer system, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Ward.
You as well. Thank you.
All right. Yana, could you, would like to call Devin Wright, if it hasn't been called already?
Mr. Wright?
Yes, ma'am.
Yana, this matter is.
I gotta call it.
Okay, thank you, Yana.
Can I call it? All right. Mr. Wright, you gotta take that cap off for me.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Devin Wright III. This is ticket SP 131577. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, driver's license expired. Ticket number SP 1315775. Count 1, expired plates. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. And ticket number SP 1315794. 1 count drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Joseph Dillard on behalf of Mr. Wright. State your name, sir, your full name.
Devon Paul Wright.
Yana, with respect to this matter, requesting that this matter be rescheduled for a pretrial. He's in the process of trying to get documentation in this case.
Okay. Mr. Wright, I'm gonna give you until May 2nd. That's a long time, so get everything in order. May 2nd at 8:30 a.m. for a pretrial, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
There's nothing further. Bond will continue, okay?
Okay.
All right, we'll see you May 2nd at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom with everything in order, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, see you then, Mr. Wright. Have a great day.
You too.
I will, thank you.
Take care, sir. Your Honor,
Thank you.
this was up for review today. You may have called the case already. Naomi Williams. If that can be called.
Ms. Williams?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Naomi Williams. This is ticket SP 1273859. This is one count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. This is a date and time set for a review of a 3-month delay sentence. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Joseph Dillard, on behalf of Ms. Williams. State your name, Ms. Williams.
Naomi Williams.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for review. Ms. Williams has provided me with documentation indicating that it's a receipt indicating that $300 have been paid. I believe that she's in compliance with the court's requirements. And if that be the case, I would ask that this matter be dismissed pursuant to the agreement of a delayed sentence.
All right, we are also in receipt of, we looked in the computer system, we saw that Ms. Williams did pay. So at this time, Ms. Williams, I am going to dismiss this case because you are in compliance and you did exactly what you told us you would do, okay? So you are all set, Ms. Williams. This case is dismissed. You're welcome. All right, have a great rest of your day, okay?
You too. Bye-bye.
Have a good day. Take care. Your Honor, at this time, if the court could call the matter of Comer Wilson.
Mr. Wilson?
Yes.
All right. Can you come to the front?
Throw a grenade on it. Throw a grenade on it.
Uh-oh. You gotta move away from whoever's there or tell them to calm down, okay?
Yeah.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Cromer Wilson. This is ticket SP 1384076. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, motorcycle, moped, or snowmobile violation. Count 3, disregard traffic control device. Also calling in warrant status ticket number SP 991412. Count 2, driver's license expired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Joseph Dillard. Mr. Wilson, state your name for the record.
Comer James Wilson.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for pretrial, requesting that this matter be scheduled for another pretrial. My client is in the process of trying to get records together. And I would ask that any outstanding cases all follow this one.
This time the court is going to take the case that's in warrant status, out of warrant status, enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. So I'm going to call this back on May 3rd. May 3rd. Nope, May 2nd. I apologize. May 2nd at 8:30 a.m. That'll be your pretrial date, okay? Bond will be set at $0 personal on these cases, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. We'll see you back May 2nd, okay?
Okay.
Have a good day, Mr. Wilson.
All right,
Your
thank you.
Thank you. Your Honor, at this time, Madam Prosecutor, Assistant City Attorney, Ms. Walker, would like to have the driving record of Lakeisha Waterford.
She has it.
Okay, and I need to speak to Troy Ware, and I'm gonna need to speak with Ms. Waterford.
Okay, what about Amon Warwick?
I do not have an Amon Ward, Jonna.
She was in room number 15. I don't know what happened. You said you're gonna need to talk to Miss Waterford again.
Yes, I'm gonna have to go and
Miss Warwick is
talk
the
to
one who's in
Shannon.
school.
Pardon?
Miss Warwick is the one who's in school.
Oh, you said Ward, but Warwick, okay.
Did you talk to Miss Warwick? Miss Waterford, put yourself on mute for a moment.
Oh, yeah, I'm ready on Miss Amon Warwick.
Okay. Now calling, Miss Warwick, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, now calling the matter of the people versus Amon Fatima Warwick. This is ticket SP 1374312. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Joseph Dillard on behalf of Miss Warwick. State your name for the record.
Iman Warwick.
Yana, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial in this matter. She's presented valid documentation in this matter. And speaking with the Assistant City Attorney, Shannon Walker, she's requesting a dismissal of this case.
Being an officer of the court having seen valid documents at this time, the court's going to grant the request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ma'am, make sure you always have your documents in your vehicle at all times, okay? You do have something that's out here from, it was a mirror or something like that, defective mirror. You need to get that fixed. It's a ticket out there. You need to pay that, okay? All right. All right, other than that, you're all set on these 2 tickets, okay? Always stay in compliance, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Have a good day. Keep the kids safe, okay?
I will, thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, Miss Waterford, Attorney Dillon needs to talk to you in a breakout room. So I'm gonna put you back in, I'm gonna put you into room number 1, okay?
Okay.
And could you put, let's see.
He dropped off. It's okay. Troy Ware, he dropped off.
Okay.
We'll give him a new date.
Mr. Dillard, do you need to speak to me about anything else right now?
Yes.
Would you like to go into room 30 again?
Go to 30.
Yeah, sounds good to me.
Okay.
Hey, Judge, I just gave him his last offer, so he should be back in shortly.
Cool. And fun fact, I accidentally text me. I wonder why you called the courtroom. I said, well, I just checked Miss Walker. A moment ago, I texted Judge Walker. Lord help us all.
Our names are similar, but we do have different middle initials, so you may have to.
Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Judge?
If you need to go, Attorney Fillmore, feel free.
Okay, so I was gonna ask. Okay, you have a good day. It was nice seeing
I
you.
was say you could have left after the last two people. You did me a great service today. You could
Oh,
have been.
no problem. All right. Well, you have a good day. Nice to see you.
Okay. And
Bye.
nice to see you too. All right. You're welcome back anytime, Attorney Fillmore.
Thank you. All right.
All right. Bye.
We're ready, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor, we're ready to, for Waterford.
All right. Ms. Waterford, is that a headscarf or is that for like sleeping at night? Is that a headscarf? Regular. You're on
Ms.
mute, ma'am.
Waterford, you can't hear your mic. You got to turn your mic on. Turn your microphone on, please. It's going to be either at the top or at the bottom. Scroll to your left, scroll to your right.
Okay, you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, go ahead and take the rest of the scarf off for me, okay?
Yes,
There we
ma'am.
go. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lakeisha Waterford. This is ticket 333339. Count 1, no valid operator's license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 343052, allowing an unlicensed driver, to drive. Ticket number 292269. Count 1, no license in possession. Count 2, unregistered or uninsured motor vehicle. Ticket number 292835, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Also calling ticket number SP 1039544, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1082294, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 1329792. Count 1, registration and or plate violation. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, drove while license not valid or improper license. And ticket number SP 889456. 1 count, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Joseph Dillard, on behalf of Ms. Waterford. Ms. Waterford, state your name.
Lakeisha Waterford.
Your Honor, with respect to today's hearing on those, I believe it's 12 tickets. This is the day set for pretrial. She's provided valid documentation to the prosecutor, the assistant city attorney. In this particular case, an offer has been made resolving all cases before Your Honor today. With respect to this matter, ticket 162922691. She will plead, there's no operator's license on person. She's pleading guilty to fail to display. As to ticket 173333391. No ops on person, no operator's license on person. She's is pleading guilty to fail to display. With respect to that, all other matters are to be dismissed.
All right, Ms. Waterford, you want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty at that time?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking these guilty pleas, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, do you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, ma'am. I want to take you back to the date of February 8th of 2017. Ma'am, at that time, were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Gratiot and Townsend in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you at that time not have a valid operator's license on you?
No, ma'am.
All right. Then also drawing your attention to the date of September 29th of 2016, were you driving a blue Dodge vehicle in the area of Davidson and Moraine in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you also not have a valid license in your possession at that time, or no license in your possession at that time?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Defense is satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Stipulate probable cause, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter in 2 counts to the amended charge of fail to display valid operator's license. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed. Thank you for having your license now. So Ms. Waterford, you went a long time with getting a whole lot of tickets without having it. You understand that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to, did you pay some other tickets to the city of Detroit? Or were these
Yes,
all of them? They were
ma'am.
just the misdemeanors?
Yep, I had paid some more. I had some more and I paid them off.
Okay, all right. So,
How much did you pay?
I'm not for sure, because I paid a few times.
hold on one second. No, I wanted to. All right. Okay, my fine is $200 per ticket. Is that something you're able to afford, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, but I can't afford it today because I just started my job.
I'll give you 60 days. Will that be enough time or you need more?
Yeah, I need a little more.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna give you until June 6th to have, it's 200 per ticket, so that's $400 paid, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. She got reinstatement fees to pay too. You know that, right?
No, I didn't.
So those are, Mary, those ones that say pending and say 95, those have reinstatement fees.
That is the one.
They just gave her, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, so it's interesting. We have some fees in our computer system now, reinstatement fees from us on our end, but you were able to get your license back. So,
Yes,
I'm charge you 200 on one of the tickets and I'm waiving costs and fines on the other one. But you have to go online and see how much you owe on reinstatement fees because you need to pay those, okay?
Okay.
All right. I can see
Your Honor, the total fines in this particular case, is it 200 total?
200 total, yeah, but she's gonna end up having, it's $45, so it's really gonna be $245 because you have a reinstatement fee. And then from what I can see, she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 reinstatement fees. I know. So that's $450, and then you owe $30 for something.
What?
No plates or something like that, okay? But you have your license, so take your time with paying back everything else. I'll give you until June 6th to have this $200 paid, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you just started back the job. I'll give you some time to catch up with some of your other bills too, okay?
Thank you.
Ms. Waterford, Ms. Waterford, you may want to go to the Secretary of State to see how much you may have to pay on those outstanding reinstatement fees.
Okay, I am too, because I thought I paid them. I paid
No.
reinstatement fee when I got my license.
Okay, but I'm just,
Secretary of State.
yeah,
Okay, I'm gonna go up there. I'm gonna go up there when I leave here.
thank you, Yana. Have a good day.
All right, you too. Have a great day.
Same to you. Thank you, Your
Thank you,
Honor.
Ms. Waterford. Good luck with your new job, okay? Keep your license.
Thank you. I am too.
All right, okay.